going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, airplanes. Oh, there's security stopping. Oh no. Hi. I think security is stopping. Are you gonna stop me? No, they're not gonna stop me today. Thank you. Anyway, we're doing plane spotting today in Myrtle Beach International. I thought security was gonna stop me, but they didn't. We'll put this back down. And yeah, so now we're Myrtle Beach International. There's planes coming in. We're gonna get planes landing and taking off. We're gonna be getting both today. We're gonna be here for a couple hours. Should be a nice long video for you guys today. I've never plane spotted at, well, I plane spotted once at Myrtle Beach, and one big plane came in, and that was the P8 Poseidon that you guys might have seen. I posted a long time ago. Spirit A319s took off, so we're gonna be getting good planes taken off today too. Probably see here for maybe like 4 or 5 planes maybe land here, and then I'll head down the other side of the runway, which is probably a good 10-15 minute bike ride. This is my dad's e-bike, not mine. But it's really cool. I like this bike. Really can't leave it because you don't have a bike lock, and well, he's had it stolen before. Wow, they're doing. Last time I was here, this was not like this. There's trees right there, and this was such a paved, it's just a regular paved path. There's an A319 banking right there. And now we have like maybe 10 minutes before a Frontier A320 Neo comes into land. It should be pretty cool. I've never really seen a Frontier plane land before, so that'll be first. I spotted in Miami yesterday, and there wasn't really anything good. I mean, there was 7.3s. There was like all more American Airlines. I think one was Spirit. American Airlines. I seen a Max take off, and there was a Neo that took off. That was Spirit's Neo. A320 Neo, and now we're sitting here waiting for another plane to land. This has been kind of a dream, not really a dream, but like, you know, something I've wanted to do for a while, and I finally made a channel about a year ago. Had cars on it, and then now I'm here plane spotting. Should be pretty cool. People on 17 are probably like, what is this dude doing? Plane spotting, guys. Who doesn't like plane spotting? So the Frontier A320 Neo is coming in here. We're gonna watch that come in. Then we're gonna dart to the other side of this runway because there's really nothing else coming in for like another couple hours. We have Southwest coming in. I'm hoping I'll be here that long. I don't really know. I think I'll be here pretty long though. I mean, I have a lot of charge on this bike, so I should be okay. I honestly might go to the airport side. There's a Market Commons side, which is what I'm staying on. But I might go around and go to the side to see if the heavies or anything like that. Might see Lift Academy is open too, so I can just look inside there. So I might stop by that real quick on the way down to the other side of the airport. And then, yeah, so they're landing and taking off 18 because the wind is coming this way. It's going that way, so they're trying to go against the wind. So, yep. So here is the Frontier A320 Neo. Okay, here comes the Frontier Airbus A320 Neo. It's Shelly's Sea Turtle livery. You know how they do the liveries every single plane they got. Wow, look at that thing, dude. There he goes. You got this, buddy. Come on. There he is. Nice. And now we have a Delta A319 taking off. So this should be really nice to hear the engine scream. She's coming down the runway. I see her. There she is, right Boston. There it is. Right there. Next up, we have a CRJ 900 going to LaGuardia, Delta Airlines. There it is. There's Shelly the sea turtle backing up. November 316 Foxtrot Romeo. We should hear the PTU out here, I think. That was pretty cool. F22s? Yo, there's F22s, no way! Oh my god! No! What? F22s! Hey! No way! That's insane. Those are some F-22s. Nice. This is second to last. This is Delta Boeing 717 going to Atlanta, and then we have a Boeing 737 over there. It's hard to tell. You can see it. He's right there, and we'll get him, and then, well, her, whatever you want to call it. And that's it, because I gotta go places, but. Here is a Boeing 717 going to Atlanta, Delta Airlines. This is the last one, Southwest Boeing 737-700 going to Baltimore. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want more of Myrtle Beach International. Those are really cool. Seeing those F-22s come on through. That was pretty cool. I seen that Osprey earlier, but I didn't like catch it because I was in the middle of going to Lift Academy. There was nothing there, by the way. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.